Okay, these ones, Ryan helped Santa Claus pick out for you two.
Oh, it's big.
It's big? So it's from Santa Claus and Ryan.
There's that laugh again.
It's Dale Jr.
No, it's
Casey Kane.
Oh, it's Casey Kane.
Yeah. I almost got that for Jamie because it was so cute.
I like that.
So Jamie's going to steal it from him while we're there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll
Like
end up on
that?
the shelf with Jamie's, Uncle Jamie's cars.
Here, Mommy will open it and show you what it actually is. You're a bit
Why
too
did
small
Ryan
to-
help pick out a number 9 car?
Because that was all there was.
Yeah.
On the back of the
Yeah,
Want me to take that out of the box for you?
You guys want to tell Ryan thank you?
Thank you.
Marcia, it's a video. Tell him thank you.
Thank you.
What's your name?